I never thought I'd say this, but putting my phone away changed my life. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to conquer the day. What if the secret to reclaiming your time, boosting your creativity, and finding inner peace was hiding in plain sight? I'm going to reveal a simple yet powerful practice that's transforming lives across the globe. But here's the kicker. It's not about adding something to your routine, it's about taking something away. Let's dive in. Our story begins with Sarah, a high-powered executive who seems to have it all. I was always connected, Sarah told me, her eyes reflecting the glow of her ever-present smartphone. Emails at 5 a.m., conference calls during breakfast, social media updates between meetings. I thought I was being productive, efficient. But beneath the surface, Sarah was drowning. Anxiety, burnout, and a gnawing feeling that despite all her productivity, she wasn't accomplishing anything meaningful. Sound familiar? This is what I call the surprising contradiction. In an era where technological advancements promise to streamline tasks and create more leisure time, we find ourselves caught in a perpetual cycle of busyness. It's a paradox that leaves many of us feeling overwhelmed and disconnected. You see, our brains aren't wired for constant stimulation. Every notification, every email, every social media update, they all trigger a tiny stress response in our brains. And when we start our day by immediately plugging into this digital fire hose, we're setting ourselves up for a day of scattered focus, increased anxiety, and diminished creativity. But here's where it gets interesting. Sarah, like many others I interviewed, discovered a powerful antidote to this digital overwhelm. It's a practice so simple, yet so transformative, that it's been adopted by some of the most successful and balanced individuals across various fields. The secret? A tech-free morning routine. Now this is where the wow factor comes in. The dramatic impact of implementing a phone-free morning routine is truly remarkable. Just 1 hour without your phone can lead to improved mental clarity, reduced stress and anxiety levels, enhanced creativity and productivity, and better overall well-being and life satisfaction. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, not stressed. Picture yourself starting your day with clarity and purpose, not anxiety and overwhelm. Envision tackling your most important tasks with laser focus, unleashing your creativity, and ending your day feeling accomplished and fulfilled. This isn't a fantasy. It's the reality for those who've embraced the tech-free morning. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what happened when Sarah decided to give it a try. The first few days were tough. I felt like an addict going through withdrawal. But by the end of the first week, something amazing happened. I found myself looking forward to my mornings. I had time to think, to plan, to just be. The results spoke for themselves. Sarah's productivity skyrocketed. Her stress levels plummeted. And most importantly, she rediscovered a sense of purpose and joy in her work and life. By creating this intentional space in your morning, you're giving yourself the gift of presence and setting a positive tone for the entire day. Start small, be consistent, and watch as this simple practice transforms your mornings and potentially your life. So how can you start reclaiming your morning? Here are a few simple steps. Use an analog alarm clock instead of your phone. Keep all devices out of your bedroom. Spend the first 30-60 minutes of your day screen-free. Engage in mindful activities like meditation, stretching, or journaling. Enjoy a nutritious breakfast without distractions. Set intentions for your day before plugging back in. Awakening your inner calm isn't about eliminating technology from your life. It's about creating balance and intentionality in your relationship with digital devices. Stay mindful, stay balanced, like, comment, and subscribe.